Hello and welcome back to another CADclips mini series here. In this particular video, we're going to do a demonstration of the outcome of what we're going to teach you how to do here, which is to add a fireproofing coating to your columns and beams. So we're going to do a couple of quick lessons on editing some families, and once we finish, I've just got an example here of just an HSS column and a beam coming in here, wide flange, which are modified versions of what comes out of the box. And all we do here is we have the option to click on a column and we can turn the visibility of the fireproofing on, and you can see it shows up in either view, and it also responds to the detail level, whether it's fine, medium, or coarse, which is part of the column properties. I can do the same thing grabbing this beam, turn on the visibility of the fireproofing, and then I've got fireproofing. You can see the coating here. So this happens to be set to be fine detail. If I switch it to coarse detail, you're going to see the difference. It's just going to follow whatever the column is going to do. Likewise over here you can see where the flange and the web meet. If we switch this to say fine detail, then we're going to get that. So not any big cheers or hoo-haws for this particular video, but it is a great series where we can go in and modify these. I can even go in and change this to be a different type of section, and it'll update accordingly and also update the fire coating or the fireproofing. And at any point I can go in here as an instance property and turn off the visibility of the fireproofing. So I can change this to a different section here and it will update accordingly. I can change the detail level, it'll update accordingly, and I can pick on here and I can turn off the fireproofing. I can also change the thickness of the fireproofing by picking on here, going into here. Right now it's set to be 3/16 of an inch equals or 3/16 of an inch thick. So if I click on here and exaggerate this and make this 1/2 an inch thick of fireproofing, you'll see that fireproofing get beefed up over here. Similarly with this column, I can say, okay, you are an 8x8 HSS, your fireproofing is turned on, and the thickness is 1/2 an inch. So a great lesson on showing you how to modify some existing families and add some fireproofing to your structural sections.